We're going to take a quick look at these 3 shavers from Braun, and I'm going to tell you the best use case for each one of these.
The first one we're going to take a look at is going to be the 5 Series body groomer. So this one is pretty basic, but if you're just looking for a body groomer that's 100% waterproof and you have a couple different attachments, this will probably be the one that you want. You can take this in the shower with you. It has this adjustable guard here. You basically put it on, and then you have this little button here, and you can slide it up and down. So you have 5 different lengths over here on the side. So you just slide it up or down to whichever length you want. And it only has just the one head. And then you also have these 2 guards as well. So very simple, easy to use. This is your charger, and it basically just plugs into the bottom. It only goes in one way. Plug it into the wall. Good to go. So that's going to be the first one. This one's literally just for body grooming. The next one is going to be what I generally use for travel. This is the XT5. It's super small and compact. It comes with a little cover. Again, this one is going to be 100% waterproof, which is great. And then you also have, with this one, this bag that comes with about 6 different guards. So you have all these different size guards here, and then you have your charger, and everything fits really nice into this little bag, which is why I really like it for travel. The one thing I really like about this is you can see that they have these double edges here. So these blades are gonna be able to cut through thicker hair. And this you can use for your face, your body. And then you also have this foil on the front here. So it cuts like 4 different ways. So that's something I really like about this one. And now, this is gonna be my 9 series. This is my all-in-one go-to workhorse. This thing has literally everything. So the charger that comes with it is an actual charging stand. This is also completely waterproof. Runtime on this is about 180 minutes. So a lot of times I can go throughout a whole month without having to charge this, which is great. It also has this power wheel on the front, so I can turn and precisely adjust what length I want on here. If I open this up here, you have your traditional blade here, and then you have your body scaping blade, another blade for detail, one other blade here for contour. So you have 4 different blades that come with this. It also comes with this really nice case. It's a hard case. And then you also have your nose trimmer, a small foil, and then you have a few different guards as well. So this one will go from 1 to 5, and this goes from 5 to 1. So if you're looking for something for everyday use, I highly recommend getting this. If you're looking for something just for body, I would say this would probably be a good bet there. And then if you're looking for something for travel, I would say the XT5 is probably best for travel.